Let me tell you about the time my cheeky pup Luna decided to grab my favorite Childe sunglasses and eat them for breakfast. I was packing up for a surf when I spotted her using them like a chew toy. I looked down and oh no, what did you do? They're shredded. Oh no, how can I fix these? Luna, what did you do? How am I going to fix these? Look what Luna's done to my sunnies. Scratched the lenses.
Oh, that's okay. You just do the Childe for Life thing, and it's like the sustainable lens replacement by the Sunglass Fix.
Oh.
Yeah.
How? Just... After a quick little interweb search, I found the Childe for Life Sunglass Fix lens replacement program. The process was super easy. I found the style, chose my replacement lenses, and even upgraded to polarized. Within 3 business days, my new lenses arrived from the Sunglass Fix. There are my new lenses and instructions on how to insert into my frames. You have to make sure that the lenses always come out through the front and go back in through the front. Front door, people. Brand new lenses, and my day is 100% clear. Replace your scratched lenses at thesunglassfix.com and enjoy your Childe for Life.